In a study conducted by the American Psychological Association, researchers found that individuals who learned to embrace pain rather than avoid it reported significantly higher levels of happiness and life satisfaction. But why is that? Welcome. Today, we're diving deep into the powerful concept of embracing pain to avoid suffering. This isn't just about physical pain, but emotional and psychological pain as well. Let's explore how understanding and accepting pain can lead to a more fulfilling life. First, let's differentiate between pain and suffering. Pain is inevitable. It's a part of life. Whether it's the pain of a workout, the stress of a demanding job, or the heartache of a lost relationship, we all face it. Suffering, on the other hand, is how we respond to that pain. It's the emotional anguish we feel when we resist or try to escape it. Point 1. Embrace pain as a teacher. Pain can be an incredible teacher if we let it. It shows us our limits, our strengths, and areas where we need to grow. Instead of running away from pain, try to understand what it's telling you. For instance, if you're feeling burnt out at work, maybe it's a sign that you need to set better boundaries or prioritize self-care. Point 2. Practice mindfulness and acceptance. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment, acknowledging your pain without judgment. By accepting pain rather than fighting it, you reduce the additional layer of suffering that comes from resistance. Techniques like meditation and deep breathing can help cultivate this mindset. Point 3. Seek support and connection. Pain often feels more manageable when shared. Surround yourself with supportive friends, family, or even professional help. Talking about your struggles can provide relief and new perspectives. Remember, you don't have to face pain alone. Point 4. Let go of control. A lot of our suffering comes from trying to control the uncontrollable. Life is unpredictable, and pain is a part of that unpredictability. By letting go of the need to control every outcome, you can learn to flow with life's ups and downs more gracefully. Point 5. Reframe your mindset. Pain can be a sign of progress. Think about athletes who push through the pain to achieve their goals. By reframing pain as a necessary part of growth, you can transform your relationship with it. Instead of seeing pain as a setback, view it as a stepping stone towards becoming stronger and more resilient. Point 6. Find meaning in pain. Often our deepest pains can lead to our greatest breakthroughs. Reflect on past experiences where pain led to personal growth or a significant change in your life. Finding meaning in pain can give you the strength to endure it and emerge stronger. In the end, pain is an inevitable part of the human experience, but suffering is optional. By embracing pain and learning from it, you can avoid unnecessary suffering and live a more enriched and fulfilling life. Remember, it's not about seeking pain, but rather acknowledging and accepting it as part of your journey. Thank you for joining me today. Take care and embrace the journey ahead.